What if one of the most revolutionary financial inventions of our time wasn't a liberation tool, but a perfectly engineered illusion? Millions believe crypto is the future of money, decentralized, trustless, unstoppable. Yet behind the hype, a darker question lingers. If crypto was built to remove corruption, why does it keep producing the biggest financial disasters in modern history? Tonight, we're not here to hate or hype, we're here to follow the trail of cause and effect and see where it really leads. To understand crypto, we need to rewind to 2008. The global financial system was collapsing. Banks were bailed out, ordinary people were wiped out, and trust in institutions evaporated overnight. Out of that chaos appeared a mysterious white paper published under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who Satoshi is, but the idea was clear. Bitcoin. A currency without banks, without governments, without middlemen. It promised fairness through code, transparency through math, and freedom through decentralization. At first, it sounded almost utopian. Early adopters were cypherpunks, libertarians, and technologists, people who distrusted power. But embedded in this vision was a twist most people ignored, a system designed to remove trust. Still depended entirely on belief. Bitcoin's early years were quiet. Coins were worth pennies, then dollars, then hundreds. And suddenly, a cause and effect chain began. Rising prices attracted speculators. Speculators attracted media. Media attracted the public. And the public brought money, lots of it. Soon, Bitcoin wasn't alone. Ethereum promised smart contracts. Thousands of new coins followed, each claiming to fix the flaws of the last. Exchanges popped up, acting like banks but without bank rules. Influencers emerged as prophets. This time people said, it's different. But here's the critical cause and effect most missed. Crypto didn't remove middlemen, it reinvented them, without accountability. Power consolidated in exchanges, founders, and venture capitalists. Decentralization became a slogan, not a reality. Every speculative system hits a stress test. For crypto, it came repeatedly. In 2017, the ICO boom collapsed, wiping out billions. In 2021, prices exploded again. NFTs sold for millions. Meme coins made teenagers rich overnight. But none of this value came from productivity, it came from new buyers paying more than the last. Then the chain snapped. In 2022, Terra Luna collapsed, erasing $60 billion in days. Celsius froze withdrawals. Three Arrows Capital imploded. And finally, FTX, once worth $32 billion, fell apart almost overnight. Customer funds were gone, records were fake, trust evaporated. The cause was simple and brutal: leverage, hype, and human greed operating in a system with no guardrails. The fallout wasn't just financial, it was psychological. Millions lost life savings. Some lost retirement. Some lost hope. Governments stepped in late. Lawsuits piled up. Founders went from heroes to defendants. And yet the pattern didn't end. New coins launched. New narratives formed. Bad actors, people said, not crypto itself. But history teaches us something uncomfortable. When the same outcomes repeat across different players, the design, not just the actors, deserves scrutiny. After every collapse came promises of reform, proof of reserves, with better audits, regulation-friendly tokens. But these fixes attacked symptoms, not incentives. A system built on extreme volatility will always reward risk-takers who exit early and punish those who believe too long. Decentralization cannot protect people who don't understand the risks. Code cannot replace ethics. And technology cannot erase human behavior. Here's the shocking part. Studies estimate over $2 trillion in crypto value has been wiped out since its peak. Over 70% of retail investors lost money. These numbers echo past manias, the dot-com bubble, the housing crash, even 17th century tulip fever. Different technology. Same psychology. The pattern repeats: a revolutionary idea, early success, mass speculation, collapse, blame, reset. So what do we learn? First, innovation doesn't guarantee fairness. Second, removing regulation doesn't remove risk, it concentrates it. Third, if an asset's value depends on someone else paying more tomorrow, ask why. Crypto may not be the world's greatest scam, but it may be one of the most effective belief machines ever created. The real danger isn't code. It's the promise that this time, human nature won't matter. If you found this breakdown useful, like the video, Subscribe for more deep dives into money, power, and systems, and ask yourself, are we learning from history or just rebranding it?